This side I see Burj Khalifa, and this side is La Mer fireworks. Happy New Year, all of you guys. It's so stunning. Hello to everyone. Happy New Year. Finally, we bid goodbye to 2020. Beautiful is the word. Just so beautiful. That's Burj Khalifa. Wow. And amazing fireworks at La Mer too. This scene is just brilliant, guys. It's so pretty. Wow. Happy New Year once again, everyone. Finally, we say goodbye to 2020. Ooh, it's cool. Can you hear the fireworks? Wow. So pretty fireworks. Can't believe such a beautiful work. An amazing job by all the frontline workers. Really a year that we need to say goodbye to, and hope everything will get better from now. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! How are you guys? Happy New Year! Brilliant job. Wow. Just wow. This one is at fireworks at La Mer. And here we have fireworks of Burj Khalifa. Yes, better to be safe at home when you have such beautiful fireworks that you can enjoy at home from both the sides live, avoiding the traffic. Why not? This is really so beautiful. Ooh. So the fireworks at La Mer are over now. On to just Burj Khalifa. But I can hear fireworks in many parts in Dubai too. Yes, this is a city to be. Really, thank you Dubai, my Dubai, for being such an amazing city for us to stay in, our second home. Really brilliant. Hats off to all of you who have been behind this, working continuously and effortlessly to, let us enjoy this moment. Whatever be the situation, it's handled pretty well. Happy New Year, guys, once again. Happy New Year to everyone joining in. Brilliant. Beautiful. Happy New Year, everyone. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's a nice one also. But even the one that goes round.
Wow. Happy New Year, everyone. I know being on television, you can enjoy it live also by Imar. But yes, watching it personally is a different experience altogether. Happy New Year to everyone who is joining in. Beautiful is the word. Just so beautiful. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. Beauty. Just wow.
It's like a DNA. the funny thing is we don't hear the noise.
Beautiful, beautiful. Hello to everyone joining in. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. It's beautiful, beautiful. Happy New Year. Ooh. Wow, that was brilliant. Happy New Year once again, guys. Hope we have a better 2021. Stay healthy, stay safe. Love to all of you. Bye bye.